Hi, welcome to Games On, week 6 of summer reading. We are, for Pirate Week, going to learn a game called Trash. It might be a game that pirates would have played on their boat before they went to plunder an island. So here we go. We're going to take 2 decks of cards, first of all, because we have more than 3 players. So you can play this with 2 or 3 players, and you would only use 1 deck. But we have 4 players, so if you have 4 or more players, you are going to have 2 decks of cards. We also want to make sure you take out the jokers and the instructions. We don't want those mixed in. So we'll take those and put those to the side, and we are going to shuffle this all up and mix them together. The goal of this is you're going to lay out 10 cards. Everybody's going to get dealt 10 cards. I'm trying to shuffle them. 2 decks is really big. Let's see if I can do it this way. You're going to get 10 cards, and you're going to line them up 5 on top and 5 underneath, but you don't want to show what cards you have. So it's all going to be the red side up. Let's see. I hope that's good shuffle. All right. So I'm going to deal these out, and everybody here is going to lay their cards. 3, 5, 6. All right. So we're going to put the cards in the middle. And since I dealt, we're going to have Miss Sarah's going to go first. And she is going to try and get, so when I'm laying these out, we're going to think 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to try and put cards in these places. So if you have a 10, you can put that here, 9, 8, 7. And here will be an ace for 1. If you get a king, it's a wild card, and it can go in any place here. And if you get a jack or a queen, they're trash. So we're going to throw them away. So this game is called Trash, and if you can't use a card, you're going to throw it in our trash pile. The next person can pick it up from there, or they can pick a new card. So we're going to flip one over so she can choose what she wants to do.
98763.
So the jack's trash, but she was able to switch out her 3 for the regular 3. And the first person to flip all of these wins. All right. Ready, Miss Caitlin?
I think so. How many times can we keep?
You can keep going until you get stuck with trash.
All right. Wild card. Oh, dang.
I thought I wasn't going to get a turn. 9. Oh, boo.
Ah. All right. Man. Arg.
I don't know how pirates did anything I can't see with my cat.
Oh, dang.
Ooh, but I will take that. Thank you. And a king. So my king's wild, so it can go anywhere on here. I think I'm going to try here. 4, 7. Oh,
Oh,
can't use it. Bad placement of my wild card.
I shall try. Ah. Oh, I lied.
Oh.
Ooh, Miss Sarah.
Is that allowed?
Ah.
She caught it before Caitlin took it. If Caitlin had gotten it, it would have
All
been.
right.
Okay. Shoo. Shiver me timbers. I almost messed up.
2. 7. That wild king is
Again.
the worst.
Oh, man. Ah.
And we have 3 more. Ooh, Mr. Ray only has 3 more. You have 3. Ooh, 2. Haha.
Awesome. Wait.
Yeah.
Your 5 is in your
Yeah.
6th slot.
My 5 is. Guys.
Oh, what do we do there?
Yeah, what happens?
You
here,
have to
Allison?
replace your 6
You have to
and throw the
replace
5
it.
away.
Oh.
Dang, this is what happens when you just don't pay attention to the rules.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay, Mr. Ray.
I almost got away with it too.
6.
Ah,
You replaced your 9 with a 9.
I sure did.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh, I don't want that 9 either. Throw out some good cards, Ray. Ooh, a king.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
I don't know which one to go with. 2.
So,
And look it, I have a wild card, so
Oh,
mateys, I win.
good job.
Yay, how fun was that? So you can play Trash 2 at home with your family, and just remember that it's 1 deck of cards for every 3 players. Have fun, guys. Bye.
Bye.